Ever wondered why it actually rains diamonds on Neptune? It starts with methane gas floating deep in the freezing navy blue atmosphere. As you descend 10,000 miles toward the core, the heat and pressure become 22 million times stronger than Earth's. This immense force literally crushes the methane, snapping the carbon atoms free from their bonds. These billions of loose atoms are squeezed together until they crystallize into solid, sparkling diamonds. They then sink through the planet's layers like glowing hailstones, creating a glittering storm of gems miles beneath the clouds.